Alright guys, so listen, I came across this tool called Serlzo, and can you guess what? I'm actually saying that I can manage more than 50,000 contacts directly from using this marketing tool. And look at this guys, I just discovered we could also be printing some money from Serlzo. So all of this is what you're going to learn about Serlzo in today's review video. Now listen friends, if you want to see more review videos on softwares like this, do well to subscribe right now to see the next marketing software that we all will be reviewing next. So guys, here on Serlzo, they are offering a free plan for us. So let's quickly go create a free account and see what the Serlzo all-in-one marketing automation tool can do. So you're going to be discovering if it is worth it for your business. We shall find out today. So here I will click on create a free account, and here on this page, Serlzo is giving us two major sign-up processes. So we can either sign up directly from our Google account, or we can manually sign up by inputting our name, email address, and a very strong password. So guys, look at me now. I have my account already created, and guess which of the method I use? Of course, I use sign up with Google, which is much more faster. And right here you can see we have a brand new Serlzo dashboard right in front of us. And here is a notification that will not leave our dashboard, and it says activate your Serlzo account now. Oh my, so it seems we can't use the Serlzo software with a free account guys. We can only sign up for free but won't be able to use the software for free. So that is actually how it works right here. Honestly, I think this should be worked upon, because newbie like me and you can't access all the amazing features listed out on Serlzo with a free account. We have to go paid. So I would say activate my account, and let's go see how much money we have to pay to get access to the software. So now guys, this is the official pricing plan for Serlzo, okay, and you can see the pricing plans that they are offering. The basic plan here is costing $10 for a month, and I think that's actually not too bad. All right, and you can see the Pro is going for $25, and the biggest plan here is going for $50. And compared to all of these pricing plans with other marketing tools out there, I think Serlzo is much more cheaper than many. All right, and they also offer the same things that other tools can also be offering. So prices are not too bad here on Serlzo, but before you might decide to hurry up and go grab your debit card, let's see the amazing features Serlzo is offering us for as low as $10 for a month. And now one of it guys is the lead generation tool. And what does this mean? It means that users like you and I can use this tool to import multiple contacts such as emails, phone numbers into our Serlzo software. And how did I get to know this? Serlzo just told me right here. Look at this. Alright, now let's go over to the automation tool, and you can see that this is where the whole magic happens for internet marketers. So here on this section, we can have email marketing automation. For guys who could be interested in this might actually be your perfect email automation tool, Serlzo. Now the WhatsApp automation feature now makes Serlzo more efficient and popularly used by many marketers, where you can actually have things like your chatbot, you can do things like WhatsApp broadcast, autoresponders, import your contacts, and even more right here on Serlzo, the bulk SMS feature. But this is not available to be used right now, and we can see that we've got men at work. So once this is actually ready to go live, trust me, you're going to be having it right here on your Serlzo dashboard. And now guys, I want you to note something, all right? Who told you you needed a different software to manage and sell your product? That's a big lie from the pit of hell. Trust me, you don't need that. Serlzo makes that a thing of the past. Do you know Serlzo allows you to manage and sell all your product directly from your user dashboard? How do I still know about this? It was written boldly right here. Sell your product across the world in multiple currencies using Serlzo checkout. So it means that I and you can sell any of our product directly from Serlzo. But unfortunately at the moment guys, we still have men at work on this. So all we can do right now is to pray and hope that these men get their work done, and we can start accessing these crazy features, these amazing features right here on Serlzo. So we can start enjoying all of this amazing stuff on Serlzo for as low as $10. And as well guys, if I told you that you can also use Serlzo for free for something, and that is what the link in bio feature. Those of you who want to go create a link in bio feature, Serlzo is giving this out to you for free. So we can create a link in bio URLs on Serlzo absolutely without paying a penny. And I think you should start using this freely on Serlzo. And look at this guys, I just discovered we could be printing some money right here from Serlzo. Serlzo is offering you and I an affiliate program where we can earn big by by bringing in our friends and colleagues into the stew, and we get paid by Serlzo for doing that. Now you can see other guys are printing money from the software, where we have the top people ranking. All right, in the affiliate program that Serlzo is offering, we have Joshua Mba, who is the first person, and he's the one who is responsible for all these amazing features you can see here on Serlzo. He's the founder of Serlzo, right? And you can see this is somebody else right here, which is taking the second position, and somebody here who is taking the third position. And you can see beneath this is we have so many guys here who are basically sending out Serlzo to their friends, to their colleagues, and they are making money from it. So what do you have to say concerning Serlzo? Is this a software you would like to try out? Let me know down below. And guess what, guys? I just packed together a series of videos of how you can start printing some money online by using some ideas no one is talking about. So check it out right now on the screen, and I'll see you in that video. Let's go.